is this is 3. Give them more than 3, they will get confused and they will just leave. Make sure that you are limiting them and they pick through from only those you have given them. So once you are ready to go, we just answer the question, link out to our page, and ensure when you're answering this question, a little trick that I would like to use is that I will answer questions that are asked in spaces and questions that have little answers. And when I'm answering these questions, I put an image at the top so that my answer stands out from all the rest. This is important to do because most people don't add images to their answers and it's just another answer in a pool of answers. So I hope you get the idea. Hello guys, welcome back to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to promote affiliate products without having a website, and that may take longer periods of time to see results. So for this example, I'm going to be concentrating on a fast free traffic source that is has traffic already built in, so you want to stay all the way through to the end. And I will show you a bonus trick that you can use at the end of this video as well, so be sure to stick around for that. So one of the other affiliate networks that I'm currently working with is PartnerStack. So I like to share these affiliate networks with you guys, and these are networks that most videos won't even show you because I don't know why, but most people are over on ClickBank and it's getting competitive. Everyone and their friend, their neighbor, they're all using ClickBank. So Digistore is good, though there's little and limited products on there, so that's another alternative if you want to try it. But PartnerStack, the reason why I like it is that they have an affiliate program on here that's hard to get on when using ShareASale. That's the reason why I used PartnerStack. But for this example, you can see they have lots of software as a product, as a service, sorry, and which is SaaS, something like that. Then these products you can sign up. You can see here we have Monday.com, we have Sendinblue. Sign up as an affiliate and you get paid. So
5 minutes later,
yeah, okay, here it is. Unbounce. So Unbounce is sort of like a landing page builder, but it allows users to create landing pages, websites, and just simple pages, portfolio websites, and you get paid monthly for a subscription. That's something that I really liked about this Unbounce. It is sort of an alternative to ClickFunnels and all those landing page builders. So this program is hard to get on if you're just signing up through, I think it wasn't ShareASale, I've forgotten the other network. I think it's I can't remember it over my head, but Unbounce is the one that I look to join. So if you want to join, you can just click on join here. I'll leave a link for this page as well in the description down below. Then you join the affiliate. So you can head through here and see. You can also sort by categories here on the left to see which one makes sense to you. Then once you have joined, so let's say we wanted to join Monday.com because Monday is a good management software, and there's lots of people with agencies and businesses that are looking for these softwares to manage their clients and their teammates, whatever they are managing. So if you wanted to join that, we just head over to this page, just click on join program to take you to a page similar to this, fill out all the details, and I'm going to talk about this form for a little bit. It will be the same for all the other programs, but one thing that you should know is that I've made a video before this one that you can watch. We show you how to join Impact, and I have a script in the description of that very video. I'll also leave that script in the description of this very video, so you can click on that script and read through. You can use those scripts here when you're explaining your promotional strategy. That is important because if you're a new affiliate and you don't have proof of promotion or sales you have made in the past, which can help also get into these affiliate networks, you will need to explain thoroughly how you're going to promote their product. So I'll leave a link to that document in the description down below. So when they ask you in what channels do you wish to promote Monday.com, so don't talk about anything that's regarding YouTube channels because they will ask you for a link to your YouTube channel. So don't talk about YouTube channels. If you have a website, add a link in here for the website. It doesn't need to have lots of content. It can just be a URL to a brand new website, and you can explain this so that you're just getting started and you're building up the website. You have some content ready to go. So Once you show them that you are just starting and you have content, you have done your keyword research, you're ready to go, they will be more likely to approve you. So monthly audience size, that doesn't matter, but something above 1000 should be good. But as a newbie or someone getting started, most of these questions are going to look overwhelming to you and you won't have decent answers to give these people. So what's the way around this? Once again, there will be a document in the description. I'll leave details for each of these files that you can look through and understand the way around each of these tactics. If you have proof of other earnings on other networks, that will really help you. You even don't need to have a monthly audience. If you have money for paid traffic, that's another important aspect that you want to mention in your promotional strategies. So let's continue on to the next one. So before I get into the promotional strategy, if you're enjoying the content so far, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to let YouTube's algorithms know that we are fast becoming one of your best content creators on their platform. This is important because YouTube has been hiding our content as of lately, and you'll also stay updated with all our future uploads. I want to talk about the other network that I really like these days. So I really like Impact. So this is one of my demo accounts. I don't want to show you my real account, but because of many reasons that I can't mention. So you can see here is, let's say if you wanted to promote apps and downloads, just specifically apps, people downloading apps and we get paid, people signing up for apps and we get paid, sort of like a CPA or something like that. You can also find them on Impact. This is something that I really like. So MarkKeeper is a good one. And this advanced Mac cleaner is sort of like a phone cleaner for something like antivirus and cleaning up phones with malware, viruses, whatever. So I know you have seen these ones in pop-up ads on different websites, and people are promoting this. So it's a very good, it highly converts very well, especially on those adult sites. It's very good on that traffic. If you want me to make a video about such websites and promoting offers on those very websites, let me know in the comment section. And you can see here there's lots of apps you can promote. There's Unclutter, which is a good one. I've also seen that people promote that one. Tailwind bloggers do promote that one on their websites. So the promotional strategy will vary depending on the product you're promoting. If your product is specifically for bloggers, you can promote it via blog or YouTube video. And VPNs are good for blogs and YouTube videos because you need to explain the VPN in detail or blah 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 blah. So you can see this one: website subscription 10%, iOS, XVPN 10%, Android. So this is an Android app and it's a mobile app. So if you promote that, you get 10% of whatever they pay. So once we are done this, let's move on to the promotional strategy. But before we move on, let's pick at least 2 products so that I show you. We're going to pick one from Impact and we're going to pick one from Partner Stack. So for this example, I will choose one, then I'll come back and explain the promotional strategy. So let's say we wanted to promote Thinkific, which is a course creation platform for people who want to create courses, people who want to sell their digital knowledge to others. So we will promote this to these people. So how would we do this? So once again, you just click on join program right here. Once you're ready to join the program, to take you to the partner page or the Thinkific page, whatever the page is. Then click on join now. You can read through all this. They will show you join the program, get your link. And most of the cases, the approval process for these programs may be even shorter than for other networks that are more competitive. And that's the benefit of being on these sort of isolated networks here. They don't receive as much affiliate requests, so it's a very good opportunity for you. So what you do is hit on join right here. This will open up the partner page. Follow through to the description of this video, you'll find the template. Use the template. I've created it for you with some scripts. I'll modify it a little bit from the previous video, go ahead, enter your details here, describe to them how you're going to be promoting, add the links. If you have proof of earnings from other affiliate networks, create images and share that with the affiliate manager. So if you, in some affiliate programs, you can contact the affiliate manager. They will give you an email on the page, on the sign up page. For this example, it's not there, so don't worry about that, but you can sign up and then contact the affiliate manager and get to know him via Skype or whatever contact details are on there. So once you're ready, then let's move on to the promotional strategy. So for the promotional strategy, we're going to be using YouTube, because if we decide to go for Google or SEO on Google, we shall not rank, because the search results that I have looked at are huge authoritative websites that are hard to beat on even though you're very good at SEO. If you don't have backlinks, you won't rank for those keywords. So for this example, we're gonna go to YouTube, because it's very easy to rank on YouTube and the competition is not that as heavy as on Google. Let me show you what I mean. So the first step is to always ensure that you're using a Google account on YouTube that hasn't searched for this very keyword before in the past. If you have searched for it in the past, the search results will always be generated depending to your search history, and the quick way around that is to go and use an incognito tab, and I will show you that how that looks in a moment. But the reason why I'm going to first show you this is because I want you to take a look at the search results with the vidIQ extension enabled. So you can see here 6,000 subscribers, not that much. 1,000 subscribers, not that much. And this one is hit their subscriber. Even this one, 18,000 is not that much. And 1,000. So you can see there is interest. It doesn't matter, don't mind about the views. This is just a 3 months here, 3 months old video, but you can see that there's interest on YouTube as well. If something is searched for on Google, that means it's also searched for on YouTube. So what we'll do is we create a YouTube video targeting this very keyword, top course creation platforms. And what I would recommend, if you want to make the most money out of this strategy, is to go on and sign up for all the top course creation platforms affiliate programs. So what do I mean by this? You go and sign up for Thinkific, sign up for Udemy, sign up for Teachable, sign up for all those top that are being mentioned in all these videos. There's Podia here, I can see Podia. There's another one I'm forgetting, which is very good, but you can go on and sign up for all of them. Get your affiliate links ready. We're going to put all those in the description of our very video. So for this example, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing on YouTube, I will leave a video in the card up here. You can watch, and all in the description down below. You can go on and watch that video. I'll show you everything through step by step, how I created a YouTube channel that made a sale on ClickBank in just a couple of days. So that is something to keep in mind if you want to go down this route. The next and last traffic source that I wanted to show you is going to be another free traffic source, but we're going to be relying on another platform, which is not a good idea. But before I get into that, I want to talk a little bit about the strategy here. So what you would do is you would find the top ranking video, which is this one here, copy all these tags here and apply it to the very video. Why? We are going to be getting related traffic from this very video. Why this is important is this is how channels grow. You grow on suggested video rather than YouTube search. If you don't rank for this keyword, you rank for your video will rank beside this very top ranking video here, because of the very related tags. That has managed to work for me as well on all my other channels. And I'm not saying that you go on and copy all the tags for all the other videos. Change them a little bit. Don't copy the descriptions, copy the tags and use some of them for your very own video. That's the strategy we are using here. So let's move on to the next one, which is going to be another free traffic source that I'm going to be mentioning right now. Okay guys, so let's say we wanted to promote this Aurora 3D software. I don't know what it is, I've never heard of it before, but it seems like it's another alternative for Adobe Adobe Photoshop because they say it makes text, 3D text, icons and logos, create 3D animation. Okay, this is a very good one, and animation is a very good niche if you want to get into it. So let me show you what we're going to do in this case. So this is why it's important to understand what the product is and what it does for your customers. For the next traffic source, we're going to be relying on customers asking questions, and we are answering their questions so that we can help them by referring them to our page with our affiliate links. Remember, we don't need to add affiliate links directly to this website, and the website I'm talking about is Quora. Why do we need to use Quora? Because it's very simple to get started. You don't need a website, you need to have paid ads, you don't need to invest anything. Free account, answer questions, link out to a specific page you have created with more information about the software. Ensure it's not just a simple landing page, it has to have a lot of information helping the reader so that they go on and buy the software. So let me show you what I mean. So
5 minutes later.
Okay guys, so I found this question on Quora. It says, what is the best 3D concept art creation software? And there's only 2 answers on this question. And if you have watched my Quora video in the past, I'll leave a link in the card and in the description as well to watch that video. Is that when I'm answering questions on Quora, I look for questions with little answers so that I can stand out. So you can see this question is a very good question, and it has only 2 answers with it already. So 600 views answered last year, which is good because these people are targeted, they are looking for alternatives. So when I'm answering this question, I'll give them 2 or 3 alternatives to go for, and I will make sure I'm an affiliate for each and every one of those. Ensure that you have a page that is talking about all these 3D softwares, and you link out to them. So you can see, as this person did, Home, Blender, whatever they are linking out to. I think it's a free one, so you link out to a free one, and 2 are paid, so that the customer has alternatives to pick from. Don't give them more than 3. Give them more than 3, they will get confused and they just leave. Make sure that you are limiting them and they pick through from only those you have given them. So once you are ready to go, we just answer the question, link out to our page, and ensure when you're answering this question, a little trick that I would like to use is that I will answer questions that are asked in spaces and questions that have little answers. And when I'm answering these questions, I put an image at the top so that my answer stands out from all the rest. This is important to do because most people don't add images to their answers, and it's just another answer in a pool of answers. So I hope you get the idea. Add an image at the very top even before you begin writing your answer. That is why you need to always watch these videos all the way through to the end, because there are some little points that I'm touching on that most people miss who haven't watched the entire video. So I'm soon closing out the video, but I hope you get the idea. Just answer the question, watch the videos that are recommended. There's a script down in the description below, and if you want to find more of these questions, you just search in here on Quora logo or text creators, whatever you are looking to promote. This is the video, and I'm gonna close it on here. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.